Hi, Blake here with another review. This for this Evmore 1/16 scale RC car. So I can tell you right off the bat, I literally just tried I think it's from the same line, same brand, I know for sure. And the remote doesn't have a steering sensitivity adjuster. That is a crucial flaw. Whoop. I will say that at least this one, sorry, kind of horrible lighting. This one at least bounces back. The other one I did, it like stuck. So, it does have your regular steering trim and throttle trim, but it also has the slider button for your power, so 70% and 100%. But if you turn the throttle trim all the way up, it just starts like the same way if you let your foot off the brake in an automatic car. It just starts cruising forward. Very annoying, very confusing as to why they did that, but we are still going to give this a go. I didn't put any of the wheelie bar braces on, mostly because I already know this is kind of going to be a bummer, but let me get this all set up and then I'll pick back up. Okay, so as you can see, it's just randomly going on its own. I'm not touching it. Not okay. And then I just turned the throttle trim all the way up, and that's how fast it's going on its own. I'm not even touching it. I suppose it is helpful for getting the steering trim figured out, but that is incredibly annoying. Okay. The other issue is reverse. So let me turn the throttle trim back down. Where's my reverse? Come on. There we go. See, like, put it this way, it's losing major points for that. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and give this a go. So this has excuse me, 70%. And when I say 70%, I'm talking about this side throttle. The other throttle trim, I'm going to just keep twisting it forward until it goes up. And I'm going to turn it all the way back down and then back towards the middle. Okay. So again, that's at 70%. Let's go ahead and go up to 100. I will say this handles better than the bigger one, surprisingly. Woo! Too much juice. Yeah, see, and it flips super easily. I'm giving this a 3.
Just super far.
I see it. I really see it.
Woo! Woo!
They go fast.
100%. Ah!
Oh! Fell in the bushes.
It fell
No, go
into-
get it.
Okay.